Hello, welcome to launch day for Aurora Glow Luxe Powder. So what's the difference between Luxe Glow Powders and Luxe Glow Tints? Two differences. One, the Glow Powders, like this one, has a little sparkle, as you can see right there. The Luxe Glow Tints do not have the sparkle, and they're extra dusty, almost like a flower texture. So even finer than this, if you can imagine that. The reason is because people like to use them for deep pour, river pours, coffee table river pours, and the micron in the Glow Powders is just a little bit larger, so you can use them for resin molds, acrylics, of course. But for those deep resin pours, like 2 inches, you want to use the Luxe Glow Tints so it mixes completely into your resin and then doesn't sink. All right, so I just wanted to show you. I'm just gonna have a little fun with Aurora Glow Powder. Wow, so it's only sat for just a second while I was talking to you. It's already starting to glow, but I am going to grab my UV light. And that is just like concentrated sun. So I'm not even in a bright studio right now, but it was still starting to glow. But let's look at it for a few seconds as it gets hit. Holy. This is commercial grade, made in the USA. I'm just here in Texas. And that is the level of glow that you're gonna get. I literally just put it in a cardboard box so you could see with a little bit of darkness. So this is not completely glowing to its full potential, because look, the whole opening of the cardboard box is all right here. There's tons of light coming in, and still it is that bold. So this is perfect for your northern lights, galaxy, and even bioluminescent oceans. For those of you that like kind of the greener ocean, this would be so beautiful in it. So there you have it, Aurora Glow Powder. Just a touch of a little golden sparkle in there for some added dimension in your galaxy and northern lights art, and just your abstract art. Doesn't have to be northern lights or galaxies. Abstract the crap out of it. Have a great time. Love you guys. This is now available on wynnmodernart.com and on sale. Let me show you the texture real quick. It's very beautifully powdery. Oh man, I love this.